Κάνεις επισκευή.
Ναι. Έκανα κινητήρα, θα κάνω τρόμπες πετρελαίου, όλα, σασμάν.
Ωραία.
Είναι, ευχαριστώ. Γεια. We're barely working today on our road reconstruction project because it's pouring a lot of rain. So we're just doing some small stuff, some small details that require cutting, and we're almost done with all the details, and we need to make more meters during the next week because we have a timeline. Fortunately, we can get it done and the weather is good next week. Let's go. It's pouring a lot of rain outside, so we packed up our stuff and we left the job site. Now I'm at a project that we built, that we did a few months ago. They have a problem with the electrical system for the fire extinguisher unit. So we need to go check that out because it needs to be functional. It's a school for kids, so we need to fix that. Otherwise, we need to order parts and see what's wrong with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check what the problem is and see if we can access it on the weekend because this is really important. Ναι. Τι έγινε, καλημέρα.